All right, today I'm pleased to announce a new product for Hunterworks. I'm going to be the one introducing it. My son Hunter that works here will be your resident point of contact expert, tech support on it. We share an office. We'll work together for some problem. Needs two heads better than one. But Dynojet Power Vision 3 tuners for Polaris. We're going to start off with Polaris. So this video is pointed towards Polaris. And but anyway, I was thinking about this video and I was like, you'd almost have to be living under a rock if you own a RZR or Ranger at this point to not know what a tuner is and what it does. We just have not ventured off into this, and we're doing it now. There are certainly times when we do our clutching that there's people that want to make some changes ECU. So enter in Power Vision 3 for Hunterworks. All right, what does a tuner do? Is it basically just reprograms your computer in your RZR or Ranger to optimize performance. Air-fuel ratio on a RZR allows 2-foot operation brake and gas without going into limp mode. Hunterworks is taking tunes and taking a step further. We're actually, believe it or not raising the rev limiter so that we can protect your Hunterworks belt, or any belt for that matter. A lot of people don't know that rev limiters are set there on Polaris to protect the belt. But we achieved 82 miles an hour in our RZR 1000 the other day on a stock rev limiter, and still didn't hit a rev limiter, run out of power. However, in the event that you're the special person that actually needs it, we can do that for you. So there are certainly features that people would want to do this that would be very desirable. If you have a 4-seat RZR that's limited to 71, you want to go faster, that's a big plus. Rangers, 900s, 1000s, and RZR 900s are limited on the throttle from opening up 100%. It's called drive-by-wire tables, and so we're modifying them so you can get 100% throttle for a little bit more oomph in them. So different vehicles, depending on which model it is, has a slightly different tune to it. Some do not benefit as much, like our RZR 2-seater 1000, for example. Power-wise, it's not going to be a huge difference, but I want to turn my radiator fan on sooner. I do want to raise my speed limiter, my 2-foot operation. You can go in there and turn your seat belt warning off. We're not going to do that for you. Liability issue. We'll show you how to do it. And also, when you purchase one from us, there will be 2 files available for your particular vehicle. One, we'll just call it a performance file. The other one's going to be a duplicate of that file with a lowered speed limit. Years ago, when I came up with my own Rhino 660 CDI, we had this little switch we call the brother-in-law switch. All it did is reduce top speed, and that is the only difference in that file. We'll say that when you're doing a tuner on a Polaris, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You got to pretend this is a thumb drive that's using a computer. You'll connect it to your RZR or Ranger when you get it, and you'll do a read. Hunter's going to have you a video on how to do a read on your ECU. You do a read, and we're going to offer a mailback service, or you can email, whichever you choose when you order it. But either way, we have to have that file. It's a folder and a file, a PV information folder and a stock file. You copy and paste, stick it in an email, shoot it to us. We get you the correct tune for your particular ECU, email it back to you, copy and paste it onto your thumb drive, plug it back in, tune. There's your file. It should be only 2 offerings, end in HW and HWSL. SL is speed limited. It's real simple. Just, don't want to overcomplicate tuners. At the end of the day, it's literally a thumb drive. Your RZR or Ranger is a computer, and you're emailing files back and forth, and loading it right back on. Easy as pie. Don't want to complicate it. But like I said, we're happy to offer this new product, and got a new guy. This is going to be his job. Like I said, me, I've been around 19 years here doing this, and so I wanted to do the introduction side of it, and I'll be in the background if Hunter needs me. I don't think that he does. He's got a good grasp on it. So Power Vision 3 tuner, Hunterworks. Hey, wait a minute, ain't this Hunterworks video? Best belt on the planet. Thank you guys.